Blind Item News, si aktres na lang pala ang nagmamahal. Pagod na pala si aktor. Inamin ng lahat-lahat ng aktres sa panayam sa kanya ng isang showbiz insider. Saad niya na talagang nagpanganga sa Marites. I know he's tired. Tired of figuring things out. Tired of pretending he's okay. Tired of carrying a love that feels heavier with each passing day. Kaya this time, hahayaan niya muna na ako muna. Ako na lang muna yung magmamahal para sa aming dalawa. And I'll be the one to hold on, to keep the love alive, even if he is still unsure, even if he's slowly slipping away. I want ask him to feel the same. I want force him to stay, but I want him to know that in the quiet corners of my heart, I'm still choosing him every single day. And alam kong hindi sapat, pero sana maramdaman niya kahit konti yung pag-ibig na pinipili ko siyang mahalin kahit ako na lang. I'll carry the hope, I'll carry the pain, and I'll wait until he's ready or even if he never are.